The Ford Focus, particularly 2011 to 2018 models with the power shift dual clutch transmission, is known for shuddering during acceleration. This happens during acceleration, especially at low speeds between 20 and 40 miles per hour. It feels like a vibration or jerking sensation. It's caused by the dual clutch system, where clutches slip or engage improperly. Recent settlements and extended warranties address this. Ford has reimbursed owners for repairs and extended powertrain warranties to 10 years or 100,000 miles for affected transmissions. To diagnose the shudder, first note when it occurs, typically during low-speed acceleration. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic codes like P0700 or P17XX series. Then have a mechanic inspect the transmission fluid level and condition, as well as check for clutch wear. Immediate steps include avoiding aggressive acceleration and driving smoothly to prolong transmission life. Also, check for any open recalls using Ford's website or the NHTSA VIN lookup tool. Repairs may involve software updates, which are often free under recall. For hardware issues, clutch replacements are typically covered by Ford's extended warranty. To help prevent the issue, perform regular transmission fluid changes every 30,000 to 50,000 miles using Ford-recommended fluid. Also, avoid towing heavy loads to reduce wear on the transmission components.